Phatik wiped his face and sat down on the edge of a sunken barge. Sunken barge अर्थ काय होतो? एक डुबलेली एक त्याला काय म्हणतो नाव. ठीक आहे. बार्ज हे एक लॉन्ग फ्लॅट बॉटम बोट असते. ठीक आहे. So Phatik wiped his face and sat down on the edge of a sunken barge on the river bank. Okay. And began to chew a piece of grass. A boat came up to the landing, and a middle-aged man with grey hair and a dark mustache stepped ashore. He saw the boy sitting there doing nothing and asked him where the Chakravartis lived. Phatik went on chewing the grass and said, "Over there." Okay. But it was quite impossible to tell where he pointed. The stranger asked him again. He swung his legs to and fro on the side of the barge and said, "Go and find out," and continued to chew the grass as before. So Phatik had a quarrel with Makhan. Okay. But we know that it was Makhan who was responsible for everything. Later on, Phatik cleaned his face and sat down on the edge of a sunken barge on the riverbank. He began to chew a piece of grass. When Phatik was relaxing there, somebody came. Now, who is this fellow? Somebody came. He was a middle-aged man. ठीक है. With grey hair, त्याचे केस कसे होते? त्याचे केस हे पिकलेले होते. ठीक आहे. And dark mustache, त्याची मिशी ही अतिशय काळी होती. तर हा असा मध्यमवर्गीय माणूस ही came there. ठीक आहे. He came there, a middle-aged man with grey hair and dark mustache stepped ashore. ठीक है. He saw Phatik. He saw that Phatik was doing nothing there. Phatik was doing nothing over there. He was just sitting on the edge of a sunken barge and chewing a piece of grass. Okay. So the man came to Phatik and asked him a question. Where did the Chakravartis live? The question might be like this. Okay. But Phatik listened and ignored. ठीक है. He listened and ignored and then said, "Over there." चक्रवर्तीस कुठे राहतात? तिथे राहतात. आणि तो बोलला तिथे राहतात. ठीक आहे. और तिथे राहतात म्हणजे नेमकं कुठे राहतात? हा प्रॉब्लेम. कारण it was quite impossible to tell where he pointed. So Phatik has not pointed his finger to a particular direction. Okay. You can say that he was actually misguiding the man. So what type of behavior was that? We have seen that Phatik has received a nice beating at the hands of Makhan. Makhan was angry with Phatik, and now Phatik again began to make fun of the man who was stranger. असा माणूस जो काय आहे स्ट्रेंजर आहे, ज्याला कोणी ओळखत नाही. तो काय विचारतोय प्रश्न? अरे चक्रवर्तीस कुठे राहतात? अरे फटिकचं सरनेम तर चक्रवर्तीच आहे. तरी तो काय म्हणतोय पहा, तिथे राहतात. But it was quite impossible to tell where he pointed, so the stranger asked him again. Phatik swung his leg to and fro on the side of the barge and he said very arrogantly, "Go and find out." जा आणि शोध, मला त्रास देऊ नको. So Phatik had insulted the stranger. ठीक है. He had said arrogantly, "Go and find out. Don't trouble me. I don't know where the Chakravartis lives." That was the answer given by Phatik to the stranger. Actually, Phatik's own surname was Chakravarti, and he was called Phatik Chakravarti, but he did not tell the man that where the Chakravartis live, and again he began to chew the grass. So that was the bad behavior, that was the bad manners this lad was showing to the stranger. Okay, then something had happened. Okay, now a servant came down from the house and told Phatik his mother wanted him. अचानक काय झाले की त्या फटिकच्या घरून एक नौकर आला. कशाला? तो नौकर जो होता त्याने एक मेसेज आणला होता. द सर्वंट हॅड ब्रॉट अ मेसेज फॉर फटिक. व्हॉट वॉज द मेसेज? द मेसेज वॉज हिज मदर, मिस फटिक मदर वॉन्टेड हिम. आईचा मेसेज आला होता, आत्ताच्या आत्ता काय आहे, तू घरी परत ये. अचानक काय झालं असं? आईने अचानक कशाला मेसेज पाठवला आहे ना? बट फाटिक रिफ्यूज टू मूव्ह. फटिकनं मात्र घरी यायला नकार दिला. ही न्यू दॅट समथिंग बॅड वॉज वेटिंग फॉर हिम ॲट होम. ही थॉट दॅट हिज मदर माइट बी beating him very badly when he would reach at home. He was afraid, he was frightened to go at home. Who? Phatik. So Phatik refused to move, he refused to come to the house, but then servant who was stronger than Phatik decided to take him with him. He was master on this occasion. He took Phatik up roughly and carried him, kicking and struggling in impotent rage. When Phatik came into the house, his mother saw him. She called out angrily, "So, you have been hitting Makhan again?" Phatik answered indignantly, "No, I haven't. Who told you that?" His mother shouted, "Don't tell lies. You have." Phatik said, "I tell you I haven't. You ask Makhan." But Makhan thought it best to stick to his previous statement. He said, "Yes, mother, Phatik did hit me." Yes, mother, Phatik did hit me. You can imagine how clever Makhan was. He was very clever, he was very sharp, so he decided that he should not change his statement. Because when he had gone to his mother, he had complained about Phatik. He had complained that Phatik had beaten him, Phatik had thrashed him very badly. Actually, the story was quite opposite. It was Makhan who decided to spoil the plan of Phatik, and as a reaction from Phatik, the reaction was an indirect reaction. Makhan was punished automatically. So Phatik could not be held responsible for the calamity, for the trouble that Makhan had to face. But when Makhan had gone home, he had immediately lodged a complaint with his mother that it was Phatik who was responsible for his tragedy, for his own suffering. म्हणजे तो छोटासा माखन देखील कसा आहे, अतिशय स्मार्ट आहे, हुशार आहे. अँड फटिक इज ॲब्सोल्युटली राईट आहे ना. फटिक खरं बोलत आहे की त्यानं त्याला नाही मारलं. ॲक्च्युली माखन वॉज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ऑल द मेस. लिसन अगेन. When Phatik came into the house, his mother got angry. She got angry because Makhan had complained that Phatik had badly beaten him. Actually, it was Makhan who had beaten Phatik, but Phatik did not have any option against his mother, so he came there. And told his mother that he had not beat Makhan, and he also asked Makhan to tell his mother the real story, the real fact. But Makhan decided that he should not tell his mother द रिअल स्टोरी आहे ना. काय झालं असतं समजा माखणनं काय केलं असतं, खरं खरं सांगितलं तर काय झालं असतं. पण सहज आणि सोपं आहे. जर माखणनं आईला खरं खरी घटना सांगितली असती तर काय केलं त्याच्या आईनं, माखनला सर्व गोष्टीसाठी आईनं जबाबदार धरलं असतं. पण माखन काय म्हणतो आहे, तो म्हणतो आहे यस मदर फटीक डिड हिट मी. नाही नाही, फटीकनीच मला मारलं. I was innocent. I did nothing. It was Fatik who was responsible for everything. So again Makhan had confirmed his statement to his mother. So his mother again got more angry with Fatik. So Fatik, he was awestruck. He was he became silent. Why he has become silent? Because he could not believe on his earth that the little Makhan तो काय करतो, could lie. हा छोटासा माखन देखील काय करू शकतो, खोटं बोलू शकतो आणि आईला उलटं सांगू शकतो. पण आता मात्र आईचा विश्वास जो आहे कोणावर जास्त असतो, माखणवर असतो. त्याच्यामुळे काय करते ती आई, obviously now his mother believed that Fatik was responsible for all the trouble. He was responsible for the condition of Makhan. His mother was completely convinced by innocent Makhan. Okay.